Hey guys, it's Mike, that helpful dad, and today we're going to make some naan bread pizzas in the wood-fired Ooni Pro. Are you ready? Let's go. So today I had a lot of cooks going on when I filmed this video. We were making country ribs in the Kamado Joe, which is a whole nother video. We also made some firecracker buffalo wings in the wood-fired oven, which again is another video. You definitely got to check that one out. And we made some naan bread pizzas in the Ooni Pro, and that's what this video is about. It was a lot of fun, and I can't wait to show you. I'm going to put a link to all the products that I'm using in the video description, so if there's anything you're interested in, you can look that up for yourself. Listen, I'm just an average Joe. I don't know everything. I like to just play around cooking-wise. Hopefully this video will help you. So on the Ooni Pro, the Ooni Pro actually can use gas or wood options. I'm going to use the wood option because I like the wood-fired effect here. We're not going to really need to get high heat on this for the naan bread cook, just because basically the naan bread's almost already done. And so we're just going to use a little bit of lump charcoal as the base, and I have these smoke red oak logs here, which is the one you see on top, and I'm going to use that, and we're going to get the temperature up to around 450, 500 degrees, okay? But the Ooni Pro can go a lot higher. It can go over 900 degrees, and I've got some other cooks that will show you that. So that's our fuel. Okay, so when you're dealing with the Ooni, you have to remember this is a European option, so the Celsius is highlighted bigger than the Fahrenheit, so that's important to keep that in mind. Basically, we go by the color codes. We're trying to get the temperature up to that yellow at the very top, and that's going to get us right there around 450, 500, and you can see a little bit of fire happening in the back, so we should get up there pretty quick. Let's start making the pizza though. These are the products that we're going to use today. The Stonefire naan bread is something you can get from Costco in a pretty good size right there. We're using just mozzarella cheese, some pizza sauce of your choice. I like fresh basil on mine. Obviously we're going to add pepperoni and mushrooms as well too. The great thing about these naan bread pizzas is that you can make a whole bunch of them and make a variety of whatever you want. And we've got Jackson, we've got Jiho and myself. We've got our naan bread pizzas laid out. We've got our pizza sauce here. We've got all the ingredients. Let's start putting the sauce on now. And what's nice about making the naan bread pizza is it really is a fun family thing to do, and it's just I like to introduce my sons to the concept of cooking. Okay, let's start getting more ingredients on, and you can see we're getting some pepperoni on. Again, you can put whatever you want on these things. That's what makes it so much fun. And I think, I know my boys really enjoyed it. I'm sure your family would as well too. One thing you got to be aware of when you are working with your kids is they eat your ingredients, so you're going to need some extra ones there, so watch out for that. Okay, now we're going to start cooking. Let's get these bad boys in there, and it's not going to take very long. We've got everything up to temperature. So now we're just going to take them off the pizza peel and put them directly on the pizza stone. In batches, kind of rotating them around as I get the new ones in and take the old ones, or the currently cooking ones out. Okay, so now I've got really the remainder of the naan bread pizzas in there, and I'm going to actually I've decided to put the cover back on because when you normally cook naan bread in the oven, the door is actually closed right there, and we weren't using very high heat on this. What I recommend is that you just leave the oven door on, since we're only cooking at relatively low temperatures, around 450, and with the naan bread on the pizza stone, that's going to get the naan bread cooked, but having the door on will cook the toppings a little bit faster as well too. So this is a little bit of a different cook than how you'd cook a normal pizza in the Ooni, and that definitely was a learning experience for me. All right, my friends, so we've got all of our naan breads cooked. Let's take a taste of these right here. Jax is holding one up with some pepperoni basil on it. Jiho just likes regular cheese. I'm going to go for the pepperoni basil as well too. Let's see how it comes out. Good stuff, my friends. So again, I want to thank you for watching. If you did find this video helpful, make sure you share it with a friend. Give it a thumbs up if you can. And if you have any tips to share, I'd love to know what you have to say as well too. Remember, I'm just an average Joe who likes to cook. I'm always looking to learn more. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.